called Coffee Man. Wherever he went, he left behind exceptional coffee with no trace. No one had ever seen Coffee Man, but every time he appeared, he left some coffee, a message, and a mysterious symbol. Coffee nerd Dr. G collected every clue available to find out who Coffee Man is and his secrets. At the cafe, at home, camping, from Coffee Man's traces, he can make over 60 cups of coffee in a very short time. You can use it with a stand at home, even replace a traditional electric grinding wheel. Its portable design allows you to take it anywhere and use it in every scenario without limitations. This is the story of how MILLAB E01 came to be, a professional coffee grinder designed for various settings.
Introducing the first ultrasonic kitchen knife in the world where technology moves the knife blade 45,000 times per second, thereby increasing the cutting properties immensely. Our knife contains patented technology where the battery-powered control unit operates an ultrasonic transducer, causing the knife blade to move. The ultrasonic technology offers several benefits, such as a non-stick blade. The knife is universal and easy to care for. The ultrasonic technology significantly enhances the cutting properties. This technology also allows cutting of layered, crumbly, and delicate food with ease. A perfectly straight cut means there is no loss of liquids and vitamins. It is also ideal for cutting solid foods. After you are finished using the knife, you recharge it by simply inserting it back in the base station. 369 Sonic, the power of sound.
Every day, everyone everywhere needs water. It fuels our food supplies and powers our bodies. We celebrate it, cherish it, even play in it. We offer it to guests and share it with our families. Water is life. But in today's world, getting clean water is complicated and expensive.
Mom, there's no more water.
Delivery's not till next week.
You have to buy it, haul it, filter it, boil it, purify it, schedule it. Who's got the time for that? Introducing Spout, the smarter, healthier, easier way to do water. Years in the making, Spout is a new device that creates up to 2.5 gallons a day, every day, of some of the purest, safest, and freshest drinking water on the planet. Spout brings science and nature together, harmoniously and sustainably, to convert the natural water vapor already in the air into drinking water. It works in your home, in your office, or wherever your lifestyle takes you. No plumbing, no plastic bottles, and no installation needed. Just plug it in, turn it on, and enjoy an endless amount of some of the purest water you will ever drink. If water is life, choose the best. Choose Spout and start your water revolution today.
I'm an architect, and I'm passionate about bringing clean drinking water to the world. The world is facing droughts, bacteria outbreak, just poor infrastructure. Our groundwater is just contaminated or depleted, and we need to find a new way to provide drinking water to people around the world who really need it. ColdSnap is a water dispenser that can make up to 10 liters per day of drinking water straight from the air. It has 9.2 pH, alkaline, and an alkaline environment can reduce the acidity in your body, and most bacteria can't live in an alkaline environment. It's one of the best water qualities that you'll find anywhere. I grew up in a town where we had bacteria in our well for 10 years, and it really affected my family's health. We started purchasing bottled water, and we never thought that we'd be the family to just have bottled water in our home. By using ColdSnap, you'll reduce the amount of plastic water bottles that you use in your home. ColdSnap uses something called a desiccant. It's like a volcanic rock, and it naturally can capture water from the air. There's other technologies out there that use refrigerants, like what's in your refrigerator, to cool the air, and it's really, really bad for the environment, and it's just really clunky and loud, and it's not a very practical solution for your home. The technology that we have in ColdSnap is silent, and it's naturally better for the environment because it's a natural component. It's a water dispenser, a really powerful air purifier, and also a strong dehumidifier, all packaged into one really beautifully designed product. As an architect, design is really important to me, and when designing ColdSnap, I wanted to make sure that it wasn't just something that was functional, but also practical and would fit right into your home, and it'd be something your kids would love, that your guests would love, and it's something you could be proud of. ColdSnap is really, really simple to use. You don't need a water line, you simply just plug it in, and it'll make up to 10 liters per day. If you want to move it somewhere else, you can do that. If you want to leave it where it is, you can also do that. So ColdSnap is for anyone who just really wants to know that their drinking water is safe, people who have bacteria in their well, who live in a drought-stricken area, or just have really, really bad city water that they just can't stand. People who have seen this are just super excited to understand that this isn't a science fiction technology, it's a real thing, and that we can bring local drinking water to people all over the world right in their home. We've worked really, really hard to get this out there, and we're just super excited that you guys are excited about what we're doing. Thank you for helping us on our mission to bring clean drinking water to the world.